Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by equipping the lightning fruit and assigning M1 to a comfortable key. This ensures muscle memory. Once done, position yourself in a safe arena so you can spam without interruption, because lightning M1 relies on chaining hits. Make sure your energy and cooldown are visible. You need that feedback to time presses. You begin with a low-health enemy to observe damage, hit stun, and range. This confirms your inputs register before you commit to riskier fights. You now refine the chain. Press M1 in short, consistent intervals to maintain momentum, because lightning's damage scales with uninterrupted combos. Next, incorporate movement, dash, or jump between swings to catch targets trying to dodge, which effectively extends your range. Also pay attention to animation frames. Once you learn the cancel window, you can squeeze extra hits or switch to M2 skills smoothly. Practice against moving targets. That's how you finish combos, by ending with a skill or quick dash so you don't get punished, because lightning M1 can leave gaps if you hold the last hit. Once done, switch to your secondary moveset to capitalize on staggered enemies. If your hits are missing, check ping and input lag, rebind keys to reduce finger travel time and ensure responsiveness. Finally, rehearse in a training server or safe duel. Practicing under similar latency conditions reveals whether timing or connectivity is the real issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.